If you have encountered this error message on your computer while updating your Windows, here are a few things you can try to fix it. Now first, you can restart and try updating Windows again. This may seem like a no-brainer, but sometimes that's all it takes to fix a problem. Now another possible fix is to run an SFC and DASM scan. You just have to open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following, then press Enter. Once finished, enter the following command, then press Enter once again. Now after executing the following command, restart your computer and see if it fixes the problem. But if you're still facing the issue, try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click System, select Troubleshoot, click Auto Troubleshooter, then click Run next to Windows Update. Now if the troubleshooter finds any issues, it will attempt to fix them automatically. Last on the list, clear the software distribution folder. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following commands, then hit Enter after each one. Once you have executed these commands, open File Explorer, navigate to this path, remove all the files and folders from the software distribution folder. After you have deleted the software distribution folder, restart the previously stopped services from the command prompt. So that's what you can do to fix the Windows Update error that you have in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.